Hi everybody, welcome to Wedding Wednesday. My name is Michelle and I'm the owner of McEllis Brides Design Studio in Hampton, Virginia. And on Wednesdays I share with you guys wedding day tips, tricks, and hacks for your big day. Today we are talking about DIY again. Last Wednesday we did a DIY video on how to make a welcome sign with your Cricut machine. So today, much shorter video. Should you DIY your wedding day makeup? So I'm going to show you guys two pictures of me. One is a DIY look, just meaning I did my makeup myself that day. And the other one is a professional who is a makeup artist who did my makeup. So I'm going to show you guys those two pictures, and of course you'll be able to tell, but you tell me, what do you think? And then I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so in looking at those two pictures, of course the one with the straight hair and the green, that's the look that I did myself, and I liked it. You know, it was just an everyday kind of look. It was actually a little more than what I would do every day. Like right now, do I have on makeup? No, right now I don't have on any makeup. I have on some lip gloss. And usually when I do my videos, I'll have on a little makeup. So that particular day I was going somewhere a little special, so I put on a little more makeup. I watched a tutorial first and then I just did a little extra stuff. But anyways, looked great. However, the other look, you can tell that, you know, there was a lot more definition that it's going to pick up on the camera, whether you know, this close, whether it's a wide shot, whether it's being shot from the back of the church or the back of the venue, by video, by camera phone, by the photographer. You're going to catch all of those details and the dimensions of the makeup from the professional. So in my personal opinion, no, you should not DIY your makeup. However, if you're looking at those pictures and you're like, hey, I like the way you look with the DIY makeup on, just test out your makeup. Do a makeup trial and, you know, take pictures and say, I like, you know, this look. I like to look, you know, more natural, more like myself. I do not want to look, you know, high glam, or I don't want to look like somebody else. So you just, you know, find you some pictures of makeup styles that you like and then go do makeup trials. You can start that early on in the process. So that way, whatever makeup artist you do decide on, you can book them early. You can put down your deposit early and know that you'll have who you want, instead of just being left to pick, you know, who's available for your day. So do makeup trials. Don't DIY your wedding day makeup. It's also just stressful for no reason. So let someone else do that. Let a professional do it. Let them come in. They'll have all, they should have all the right tools, as well as just knowing what, I guess, like setting powders and things that you'll need to have on that will last all day long, through the bright lights and the, you know, moving around and taking multiple pictures, taking video. You want that makeup to really last all night. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.